Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar, KHEA and TIAGO PZK. Alright, I'm not handling that language, but yeah, I think I can say a title and name. That's how far I came with this. But anyway, let's take a look at this song, and it's a very easy song to play here. We have 4 chords to go. It's in the same order, very easy chords, but we need a capo. So with a capo, life gets much easier, especially for this song. So let's take a look at the chords. We have first the E minor, and we're gonna go with open E, second A, second D, then open G, open B, and we're gonna add the 3rd fret on the E string, all right, because we want that note. So that is the E minor grip. Then we have a D, so that is open D, second G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Then next chord is A, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And the final chord is G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B this time, and 3rd E. All right, so that's how the chord goes: E minor, D, A, and G. We're gonna first look at the strumming pattern, and one round of it will be 6 downs in total. And on the 4th down, we wanna play on the top strings. All the other downs, you're gonna play on the bass. So you're kind of chewing here up in the bass. So for E minor, if you grab that chord first, it sounds like this for 1 round. So it's bass, 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 top, bass, bass. 6 downs in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you follow the same pattern with all these chords. You're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord, all right? And for the E minor, you want to have this on the 3rd fret E string because we want to emphasize this note. That's a G note here on the 3rd fret E string. And for the other chords, when it comes to the D, you want to emphasize the last 2nd fret E string. On the A, you want to emphasize the 2nd fret B string, which you are using this finger for. And for the G, you want to emphasize the open B string, and that's the reason for why we're going open. Sometimes we're going with 3rd fret on B string. This time we want to emphasize the open B string, so that's the reason. So that note on the G. So 2 strumming rounds, and with that it sounds like this. Alright guys, so that's how you handle this para AMARTE AT. So good luck with this song, and until next time, play tuned.